everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And today I'm gonna do a makeup get ready with me, and I'm gonna recreate the makeup look that I did for my birthday yesterday. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching. The makeup look that I created was very monochromatic because I feel like it's the trend nowadays in the beauty community, and I just had to try it out. I was wearing a maroon turtleneck dress with a jacket, and yeah, I matched everything with that maroon dress. So for the first step, I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Fresh Wear Infallible foundation because I was sure that I was gonna wear this makeup for a long time. I needed something that will not be too heavy on the face but still provide some coverage. And this one, as you all know, my thoughts about this one, I really like this product because it absolutely doesn't feel anything on my face, and I feel like I can wear this for a long time without my skin feeling the need to breathe. It's amazing and I like it. It also gives you that coverage that you need if you have a lot to cover, while still making it look like your skin. Basically a skin but better foundation. However, it's more on the matte finish than dewy, so take note of that if you want dewy finish in your foundation. So I am 21 now, forever 21 as I would like to put it, and I don't feel like it. When you get older, it seems as though age is just a number and you don't feel anything special from that supposedly special day. However, I really appreciate all the comments and greetings that I have been getting, especially from friends and family. And I didn't think that a lot of people will remember my special day, but I'm so happy for that. I spent it with my friends, like the few friends that I really enjoy the company with, because I figured on my special day I just can't deal with crap and fakeness. So I just stayed true to those friends who are true to me, you know. It's very refreshing to have such company, and we did a karaoke session during the night and it was really fun. I am really fond of doing karaoke sessions and if you follow me on Instagram stories saw it first. But yeah, a lot of singing and just hanging out and enjoying each other's company, which is something that I look forward to, especially because my birthday was after finals week here in my college, and somehow I wasn't really anticipating for my special day because again, it was finals week, very hellish, very torture like. So I didn't get the chance to look forward to my birthday, but I made it work. And I don't know, right now I don't need anything lavish to celebrate my birthday. I don't need a grand birthday party. Just a nice simple gathering will suffice. And for me, karaoke sessions are god tier level. It also helps that my roommates and friends are quite fond of karaoke sessions as well, so everyone was really down for it, and I like that a lot. And during the day I actually spent it with my good friend Mal, and she's a talented photographer. So we went to the mall and took some photos because she really liked my outfit for the day and she loved how my makeup looked like. So we had an impromptu photo shoot and it was really fun, even though the setting was just inside the department store near the makeup section. It was fun, and actually we asked the staff around there if we can have a quick photo shoot and they agreed. So yeah, that was kinda our bonding. Initially we planned to watch Aladdin, but then we had an issue of the no outside food and drinks, and I ordered a huge container of potato corner fries, so we had to refund our tickets and just eat it in the space, like potato corner space. And we decided to cancel the movie watching because the next schedule was quite late already, and I still had to get ready for my karaoke session for the night. So we just strolled around, went to National Bookstore because we are both book nerds, and just enjoyed talking over the new book releases, catching up with each other, and yeah, just a lot of fun. And it also helps that she also finished her exams too, so we were both free for the day. And actually, a funny story is she forgot that it was my birthday. I just set a date with her because we were talking about spending some quality time together before the finals week, and it just so happens that our movie date was on my birthday, and she actually forgot that it was my birthday, so she realized it on the day. But it's okay, I don't mind. I'm really not too mad about that because of course we got busy with a lot of schoolwork and exams, so that's understandable. And I'm not really vocal about my birthday in social media sites whatsoever. So if you have realized that it was my birthday and greet me, then thank you. But if you don't, no ill feelings towards you whatsoever, except for those of my closest friends, like the ones that I grew up with. I expect them to remember my birthday because I always invite them in birthday parties. So yeah, there's a few exceptions to that rule. For this makeup look, I pulled out all the pink tones or maroon tones in my collection because again, I want to achieve that monochromatic look. And I got inspired with this color, this one, mulled wine, from the Extra Spice palette. And I just put a little bit of Everyday, this lovely pink based glitter shade, on my lids just to create a shimmer effect. And what else? I pulled off my trusty old but a goodie Essence Pure Nude because I figured a champagne highlighter works well with the whole look. Like, it pulls the look together, and I'm wearing it from day to night, so I want something that works equally well in both time settings. And this one is such a subtle highlighter, which I absolutely love and adore. I am not fond of beaming metallic highlighters because I don't think it seems unnatural looking for me. And now I'm just curling my lashes. I think the birthday wish that I wish for myself is just to maintain a happy and positive mindset, and to be able to exercise self-love always, because self-love is revolutionary, and before you spread love to others, it's important that you love yourself first. Because how can you give love to others if you don't exercise it to yourself as well? That is quite hypocritical of you, or you get the point. So yeah, self-love 101, and that includes going well away from toxicity, negative people who want to bring you down, because let's face it, in the real world there are people like that. It's important to choose positivity and love over unnecessary hate and toxicity. So this year I'm making it an effort to choose my friends wisely, friends who will support me through and through, and who will have my back no matter what. Because you don't need people who are two-faced bitches. Just saying. So yeah, that's kind of the lesson that I learned from the past year, and that is what I'm bringing now in my 21st year in this world. I got lipstick on my teeth. So yeah, that sums up my 20 years realizations in life, and I'm actually looking forward to the new year ahead. I know as you grow older, there are a lot of things you need to learn still, because learning is a continuous process, and I still have a lot to learn so that I can really mold myself into an individual who is really mature and level-headed in things. And so take every negative thing as a lesson instead of something that is a pain and wedge in your heart, and use it to boost yourself into becoming a better person. At the end of the day, what matters most is that you are doing good things, and you are doing something that does not trample on anybody's dignity, self-worth. So just live your life to the fullest without causing hate and negativity to others, and I think the world will reward you for it. I don't know. If you don't believe in such things, or in things called karma, just live your life according to what you think is good. And sometimes that's hard to do. Yes, I admit I am not a perfect person, but I try to be, and I try to be good. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this weird and rambly birthday get ready with me. This is the final makeup look, and this is what you will see in Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. I will post later, so check out the description box for the full makeup details, and I hope that you enjoyed this get ready with me video / weird realization in life. And thank you very much for the birthday greetings for my friends and my family, and I love you. I will see you soon. Thank you for the additional subscribers, by the way. We just hit 230 subscribers, and thank you for the people who have given me a shout out, especially in Facebook. I appreciate that so much. Goodbye for reals, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.